3 to 4 or 5 months down the drain, kabalaki kathola msebenzi, my dream job. Now everything ki focusile on my girlfriend lingwana and ha ke khola ke am spoil. First thing that comes to my mind kumetsa everything. Ha ke fitla ko ntlong na ke bona nkgono wa ke tshwere phone. Mang o ko sepetlele le ngwana. Unfortunately ba thole accident sharp, they were admitted ko Parakwana for like sharp. Fast forward but then we went through a process ref. And then she received a lump sum of money from ref. Then she started dating, I think, cheating. Then I'm like, you know what? Ozoland isn't for me. I was like, okay, cool. Just like that. She came driving a new car. She bought a car. And that chick, I'm the one who taught her how to drive. Fast forward down the line, now she she denies. Futhi manje, it's like nyamnyamisa. She normally hangs up the phone. Then maybe 5 minutes later, so phone a so-called boyfriend that I don't know.
Sanibonani Dumelang abusheni molweni. This is a girl Lorota Naidu Intombi in the Indias. Ngize nenye, ngize nabanye, ngize nezonke. Uyazi ngithi Love Heist Soweto podcast. So bona.
Hi.
Kunjani?
Good, thanks. And
Ooh, your voice. Okay, kibole abuti mang. Otsoko kai.
Ubua le Tshepo Sean Khatebe, well known ka Sean Wonders.
Okay.
I'm a photographer in profession.
Okay.
Yes. So basically, I get to go Koval.
Oh, okay.
But now I reside in Soweto.
Nice to meet you, and we are welcoming you to Soweto podcast. So, sorry, I'm disturbed. Yes. Abuti Tshepo. Okay, sorry.
I'll focus.
Okay, I'm focused. What are you doing today?
It's about my long-last relationship.
Okay.
Yeah. So what happened is kileka siwa kimuthu nekimrata for the chelet.
Okay.
The chelet. So yes. So here's the story. So in 2016, if I'm not mistaken, kileka hlakana le ngwanyana ona lebitso la hae ke you know, yeah, she was so fine, like she was so thick and everything, very attractive, beautiful, you know, my kind of cup of cake, you know.
Cupcake, Cyril Ramaphosa.
Okay, sharp. Yeah, come approach.
All right.
Then all these talking terms, you know most networking. Yeah. Now and then Then we started dating, right? Official.
All right.
Then she started giving me the 90 days probation in the relationship, 90 days before sex and stuff. Yeah. Then yes, you understand. Sharp. Rapusha, 90 days, which is 3 months, cover successful. Until then, I smash her. Everything
How was it?
Nice. It was
So like a surfing style.
out of this world.
Missionary.
Missionary.
Hey. Boo, 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 boo.
Yeah. So I catch her.
Okay.
I catch
We're not catching Lori, no catching.
Like I catch her as in pregnancy.
Flip.
First time. Yeah, I'm too fertile.
O ja di banana le di
peanuts and
everything,
and
cashew nuts,
yeah, I exercise, you know.
Damn. How long do you take? Okay, sorry, hey. Hey, non so jwetsa he, sorry.
Guys, before we get into this amazing app that you can use to score yourself an extra buck. There's this app called Easy Bets. So guys, Easy Bets, where you download a free 50 Rand sign-up bonus plus 25 free bonus spins. Can you just imagine? And please do not forget to use the promo code Soweto. All these beautiful privileges. And the link is down below in the description box. Easy Bet all the way.
A conceiver then, okay, cool, a conceiver. Then okay, this is the situation I'm facing now. I'm going to be a dad. Okay, sharp. Ngamjwayeza gore askanthamba, you know, I'm ready for it.
That's nice.
For everything. Then 3 to 4 or 5 months down the drain, kabalaki kathola msebenzi, my dream job.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah, to be a cinematographer in a certain production.
Okay.
Ne? Kakena, sharp. Started working. Now everything ki focus on my girlfriend lingwana, you understand? Like I'm spoiled. First thing that comes to my mind, is everything.
Yeah.
Sharp. Fast forward, after a year, batlahonna lingwana batlonchakela. It was Sunday, the 14th April, if I'm not mistaken, or June, somewhere there. Sharp. We spent the whole day kaufela as a family because
that's
we're
nice.
a family. Yeah. Then later on, kabakapa, which is normally hakbakapa, like kiamtsamaisa until to her house.
Okay.
But that day, because it was too late, anke taxi sharp. She went to the taxi lingwana. Umntana began 8 months, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
8 months, because we are sasemngwana kinen sharp. Then habathowa, bare ba jumpa strata. Unfortunately, wahlaya koloi ya ko Renault. Ne area overtake yaba sharp. Lengwana. So she was carrying a child like this. Sharp yaba sharpa, ha ke fitla ko ntlong na, ke bona nkgono wa ko tshwere phone. Mang o ko sepetlele le ngwana. Yabo, I'm like, what the F? You understand? Then nkgono wa ka njutsa re sheba matha o ye ko emergency to our local clinic. I ran to emergency, ha ke fitla ra ke ba thola vele ngwana ko stretching. Media ka ko stretching like what's going on, because but a few hours ago, yeah, like food not even hours, few minutes ago being nabo labantu lab. Unfortunately, but to the accident sharp, they were admitted ko Parakwana for like two months, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, because they were so bad. Sharp. Every day, I stress. I spend my money every day. I used to go to the hospital.
Yeah.
Sharp. Fast forward, bad. Hospital after a certain period of time. Bad. Bahut. Nganyana dulelin. Nagegele like a because Gubo ile family in pride in the chelete, but you busy, you know. Like they don't have time for anything. Sharp nagegele everything. Sahlala after lab. We dated for like 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. Sharp. Then we went through a process ref.
Okay.
Because some of the documents kopara nadisa beyangazazi ukuthi zikuphi. So I'm the one beyazazi ukuthi zikuphi because I'm the one was running kopara.
Yes.
Kiba openela the file and everything. Sharp kamthuza atithola ga submita udi attorneys. I'm a lawyer. Sharp. Fast forward kidula le yena no, like sihlala ku apartment serentile, everything was chilled, you know. Kuyasebetsa lena wasebetsa, everything is fine. She started dating, I think, cheating komsebenzini. Well, every day, like, she would come back to me, okay, sharp, yonke into be normal. Until someone angitshela ukuthi, you know what, this is what's happening behind your back. Okay, cool, now I'm chilled. Then after maybe 2 weeks, bangitshele lento leyo, and then she received a lump sum of money from RF. Then she disappeared. It was a lot because of Nomtana was involved.
Yeah, true.
And the company Renault Tangshona, you keep something.
A lot.
You understand? That's a ref. So I don't know. Then she disappeared for like 2 weeks. Every time I'm phoning, she doesn't pick up my calls. Then also phone every day, exciting, and she would sound like some good thing. You understand? I'm like, babe, what's going on? Like, awusabuya endlini kuyenzakalani ngawe? Na ngikho ngivakashela usisi wami emitrend. How since when usisi wakhe ahlala emitrend? I don't know about that because I used to know everything
about you. Yeah.
About her and her family.
Yeah.
You understand? Sharp. Ngathini mina ngathi azini to cut izinto short. Because now I'm trying to figure out ukuthi
what plan. Is what?
Yeah, iliphi plan engalenza ukuthi ngibone ngikhulume naye, you understand? I'm like, you know what? Ozolanda izinto zakhe for me. I was like, okay, cool. Just like that. She came, driving a new car. She bought a car.
Siyakhala.
And that chick, I'm the one who taught her how to drive. I used to buy her heels, nan. I remember one day ugokwami athi, dala bebajwayele ukuthi ungathengini intombazane icathulo.
Icathulo uzobaleka.
Uzokushiya. Yeah. I
And sithatha lightly.
ngiyibonile lento le, I believe it now. I used to buy my midi bra. I used to buy my heels, stiletto.
Thank you, my kind of ish.
Then ngene foshini too. I'd buy a sling bag and everything. Isn't it so much with the stiletto? You know, almost a shoe is a statement.
Yeah.
In an outfit. Yeah. Sharp. Okay, Leza. Mageza, she was all lovely and laughing and everything, as if everything is fine.
It's okay.
But everything was not okay. Then after Lapo, she disappeared now for good. After 13 Pashazak, sharp. Fast forward down the line, now she agafuni ngibona umntwana. Till today. It's struggle with ngibona umntwana. It's been like 4 years, see apart right now. It's a struggle for me to see my baby. Like, I don't care about her anymore.
Yeah.
And about the money, I don't care too. I just want to see my
So
child.
how old is the child now?
Kinen is she...
Kamaleko Wani?
Sorry, Kinen.
Nice.
Yeah, it's Owami Kinen.
Okay.
He's 7 years this year.
Flippin'.
He's 7 years this year. It's a beautiful baby boy. It's a beautiful baby
I could actually feel the hurt and the emotions that you're carrying right now as you're telling me the whole shenanigans.
Yeah.
So when you try to reach out to her, agafuni still.
She denies. Futhi manje, it's like nyamnyamisa because every time when I try to reach out, it's like angaza, I'm stranger or I'm someone else. She normally hangs up the phone. Then maybe 5 minutes later, I'm so phonela a so-called boyfriend that I don't know.
But I don't understand. Uthi amantombazana afunani. You know we are confused human people.
You are indeed.
Human creatures. We don't understand ourselves. Otlore o batla monna o leng calm, o sa buing too much. Utlanele ne bo wa bora. O batla o leng rafunyana. Ha setsa go shapa. You are all over social media.
Yeah.
We are khona ukuthi uTshepo o yang shaya.
Yeah.
You were there the whole entire time. This gent oqeduza manje, he wasn't there.
Bruh, this gent wasn't there. This gent has ama guts. Hongje ukuthi ngafonile media yakhe. I'm like,
Because you just held that thing, I get why enjoy.
I'm like, bruh, mamela la, that made mina.
Oh, yes, because it's
naye. And I don't care in a relationship.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I was calling to check up on my son. You understand? Because in a situation like this, one needs to act matured, and I choose to be that guy.
I love that.
You understand? Because impi izongenzelana at the end of the day.
So have you tried to communicate with one of her family members?
I did try.
And then Batin?
They be like, nah, Linda family sikhulume nabantu abadala and everything. And like my family it's yilabantu abatrega down. Like angazi, I feel ngathi abathatha izinto important, like serious. Isn't as important abathatha serious.
Yeah.
Because I tried reaching out. Because normally I fight my own battles.
Yeah.
Because this is my baggage to carry. Umntana owami, you understand? So I need to fight. And I've been avoiding a court because bengafuni kube ne drama.
Yeah.
You understand? I wanted us to like it's a simple thing. I don't know. Okay, at some point, ungifakela umoya omubi kasathane. I ended up ngicabanga izinto eziworse to do, just to see my child.
So, Potami, I wanted to ask you this question. Where were you nakwe antapiza antaja dithelete alisiko? What were you doing ka life ya hawena?
Yo, at that time, I was going through the worst, because I was hurt. So every money I get, I will drink and be around Amantombaza.
Yeah.
Just to numb the pain, just to forget about her, only to find out I can't forget about her.
Yeah.
I even dream of her, even today. It's not 4 years, I used to love that chick. I don't want to lie. She made me believe in love.
Wow.
Yeah. And I saw love with my eyes.
So are you older than her or she's older than you?
I'm older than her. but you know, amantombazane, IQ yabo ikhula fast.
Yeah, we get matured very quickly.
She's so smart. Like, I'll be honest, angifuni ukumkhuluma kabi because
I could actually see that.
there's nothing engizoyikhuluma kabi ngayo. The only bad thing nje
That's
umntwana.
when, yeah.
Yeah, I just want the access yomntwana, that's it.
During the process, did you see on social media her posting, having best time of her life? That's connect.
So during that time, did you actually go into uyomfuna kahle kwi social media ukuthi kwenzakalani? Uyenzani? Unabobani? What is she doing with her life?
No, I didn't go through social media. The worst part, I used to see her
Yeah.
driving around.
So nakahlala close to you.
Yeah, we were close by. I used to see her with a
Kgotsa go
bunch.
le mo na jolla teng, it was close by.
I think so. I have no idea ukuthi ujola nobani, honestly speaking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, honestly speaking, I don't have an idea ukuthi ujola nobani, but I've heard ukuthi that guy uyinurse for circumcision. I mean, uyidoctor for circumcision.
Ubulantisa for 2 seconds.
No.
Ubulanfasize abophathe so uyasika nje uyasika.
Phela mangithi doctor, kusu doctor per se.
Yeah.
You understand? Doctor with
Umasika le cake.
Exactly. So that's the only thing I know. You understand? And I used to see her a lot with a bunch of friends. Ngaleso sikhathi ngibroke as hell. But yeah, because I have my own pride, I didn't run after her.
Ankila zamanyana gore a go sendela something.
Nothing at all.
Ema gona re sle goitse.
Nothing at all. And trust me, bengingabhekanga imali.
No.
You understand?
O batla o checka gore yena o sharp, ngwana o sharp.
Yes, bengingabhekanga imali, to be honest. And naye wherever akhona futhi usevala ayikuthi wherever akhona usevala la khona uzokutshela naye ukuthi angazi ngamgijimisela imali yakhe accident fund. But it's not fair because that child, it's our child.
Yes.
It's our child. I used to go up.
You were there, you were going.
Yeah. And uyazi la khona uzokutshela ngamenzela i-baby shower yonke, catering, everything. I paid my own money.
Guys, mara re tlo ba thola kae bashimane ba leng so? Go ba thola kae? Because gona nje re thola di kgamore setsa batho fela, di scrop lapa. Serious, like re thola di scrop lapa fela. We see, wa wisha sometimes gore o thole monna o tlo nakekelang, o tlo rata the whole ka teng. O mo explainele gore this is the type of job that I do. This is 1 2 3, this is my life, this is my daily basis. I can stop anything for you. I just want to settle down, get started family and build my kids' legacy. No matter ba le bana ba bang, it's okay. Bring your kids. Ke tla ba raise kaofela ba tlhakene ko ntlong e one. Kante go la re tlo thola yo ngwanana hle.
Okay.
Abutwaka kopo botsa question ne?
Yes.
You can answer if you want. If you don't want, I would understand. Have you ever cheated since you've been with her?
Yeah.
And she does know. Did you tell her?
No.
Okay.
Trust me, everything benyenza clean. I used to book. I used to book. You know,
So what if she found out?
I
What's her reaction if she did baka you?
if she did baka me, yo, that one, she's so hardcore. I know her. Yo, that one.
She said,
Yeah.
Yo?
Yeah. Well, uke wangibhaqa man. Yeah, uke wangibhaqa. Nakhona akazange ngibhaqa per se, ubhaqa phone. Then she took my phone. Ane? Then ahamba nayo kubo. Then akhuluma nale ntombazana leyo.
Yo.
So intombazana ije ukuthi yimi.
Yeah.
You understand? I invited to come room the following day. I don't know anything.
Okay.
Yena ungiphi phone yakhe. Ifone yakhe like yabhora. Igcwele family yakhe, her friends, you understand? So sharp. I was listening to music the whole time, sharp. Following day angifonela babe ukuphi? I'm like ngisendlini. Athi siyahlangana, sharp.
The monkey, the other chick or
No, my main chick, yeah.
Okay.
Siyahamba siya mall. Masifika mall, uyangispendela yena. Like, everything is on me.
Hey.
And she's still having my phone.
Yeah.
Sharp. I think pizza, I'm a wine guy, Tandy wine. I think you wine, sharp. Then we come back. Maspuya, ufuna sambe slow. Like, I understand. And the whole time we say phone. I'm like, you know what, man, WhatsApp, I'm delete it, I'm not stress. I need to find out when you install it, I restore the messages, I recover my messages. So she saw everything, sharp. But that was like, yo, way back. Sister say, high in love, me sharp. Then masofika romin lam, masithe emnyango, mangithe emnyango. Nangu lo cherebe nginaye yesterday.
Yo.
Umemnyango. I'm like, nginhliziyo, what the heck?
Ziyakhala.
So ngenzeni, I but don't hate the player, hate the game. So I'm the player, you know. So ngenzeni, act a professional. Act a professional. Siyawoka nginsango, okay? Went to the door, hi, unjani, sharp. Went to the door. Ngivula. Mangivula ugela athi ngena nawe. Then lo girl seyaqala amahlahla amehlo ukuthi kenzakalani. Nami I'm lost, but well, I'm not lost, obviously. I know what's happening.
Uyazi.
Sharp singene eromini, masingena ahlalise ugirl phansi. Abe like, yeah, nina nithi ningazongijwayela kabi, izolo benenzani. At that time benginama love bites here. I don't remember because we were drunk last night. Nalentombazana, we were drunk.
Debe nokumnandi ngakhona ulumama mosquito.
And even the D's were so good, you know. Sharp.
Okay.
Fast forward, ne, sharp. Then aloka question lentombazana. So lentombazana like ithukile ifuna ukukhuluma naye. Nami like I'm busy denying ngithi hayi ukhuluma ngani mina ngazi angimazi lo muntu, you know. Then she opened ibag yakhe. I keep a cable cala. It's an electric cable. I don't know which part of the cable was it, the electric thingy. And then I keep a butcher knife. Athi ukugwaza lentombazana then ngangena. I'm like,
Mntana abantu ungenaphi manje?
Exactly.
Kufanele dile nawe because uwe odlala ngento yakho.
You understand? I lied to her, but that chick knew I have, you know, my main, so we don't mind. So now if people amdalile, it's nothing wrong. Ufuna nento yomuntu, but I take the blame. I take the blame.
Na udlala ngento yakho kakhulu.
Come on, we were young.
Ngenza double adapter.
Yeah, being so young and wild and everything, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. So, yeah, that was the story, man. Then after lapho saqhubeka sajola, like saba very close. You know, sasusa everything.
Mara go jalo itse mjolo o tomo jang. Mjolo o tom. Wa bona o nka rata motho ne, mara wa mo baka a o cheatela. A ke tse go tsagalang lerato le vele le re tlang. Wa bona matswela ka etsang a re tlang. Wi-Fi connection. Ziyakhala.
It shows you must pull up your socks. I can't really pressure you or never.
I never. I can keep up with the energy shame. I never ngenze style sound odala okoko. I mean, I can keep up with ngiyacela wena sikhulumela on your side. Mina ngisikhulumela esedini lami. Hayi. Mara chita mshimane ke go tsho gore wa gala. Because bashimane vele batula ba gala. You can have intombazane epakile or in a strapper or in. You will still go cheat with an opposite maid or a boyfriend. It's always the case niyagala.
No, sometimes you're looking for a personality. You can have the ngqa body.
Yeah.
You understand? But to obanbano ngana body, she has a vibe. That vibe that I want.
But toxic inyana ke bona ba bo batlang bashima magata body screw. That's why I never give a normal more relationshiping na nka o tabogisa re nka dlala Tom and Jerry ko ntlung. Ka o joetsa. Le mokoko a re nka o dlala ko ntlung. Na never. Ke dule every day ke shapile for ka manala ala matelle. Wana never ke ralo ke bealo. Too short a re bealo. Too short a re bealo. You know, mental health banna guys, to be honest, it's serious. Rona as women, we are the ones that we are provoking a man to become an animal, right? And it's not nice. Look how this man, he was there for his family. From the day he was there from birth.
Yes.
Sorry, from birth. He got a job. Ne? He was there for his family. He was doing the runarounds for Ngwana le media high aya ko dipetlele ke na feeling in whatever ke stress se konang hore o ngwale dipampiri di paperwork. Do you know how much it's so draining? And he's still calm. What if he did the worst? Go fela rona ko social media le di neighbors who were gonna come for him. Re sa tsebe gore o qale kanjani ukuthi kuze ufike la kukhona. Guys, ngicela sicabange nabanye abantwana. Yes, une anger yo whoever, but don't bring past experiences to a new relationship. Ngicela. Mental health, men commit suicide because they are not vocal like us. Napela if one no, I'm very vocal. Kiabua. You understand what I mean? But I never rasa the way ke. It's real out there. How many men have committed suicide because of the things that they're going through on a daily basis? And we laugh about it after that. It's not nice. Let's behave in mantombazana. Says guti siyatanda kakhulu. We go all out, masithanda, and cinema experiences are different. But Lerong, Siswam, wherever you are, ngiyacela, do the right thing. He doesn't want a relationship with you. He actually wishes you well in your new relationship, in new love. But Mina, my wish right now is my baby daddy to be there in my kids' lives. He's not there. He's enjoying. Instead, his family is the one that is looking after my kids. Is that normal? Is that okay? No. I see the responsibilities that the parents have. Wena kwena tshwanetse tlhokomele bana ba hao. So ke a le kopa. Also a ka lebile ke bua le wena specifically. Ke kopa o mo tlogelle a gone bona ngwana. Noma mmona 30 minutes it's more than okay. Noma ba ya ko phakeng ba lo dlala polo it's okay. Noma a mo haka ngwana it's okay. Anyeke azacela imali yakho if it's fine either we won. Don't do this to him because I could feel the emotions that he's going through. I need time into yenzayo. Change before it's too late. Change because we are black. Sinamasiko sonke. What if umntana uzofuna isiko lakhe? Lazo aga khona esikolweni. That's when you're gonna run after him. Tla ba movile on. What if utla ba le overseas o mo thola jwang? So here's your chance. Do the right thing oswaka. Hayi gampe ka bihlompo le bokoko betso. Please do the right thing. Kopa o tlogele your baby daddy a tlo bona ngwana. No mo sale there. It's fine. A tlo mmona a mo hake. A mmotsa gore how are you doing? Are you okay? Have you eaten today? What do you need? That's more than okay. That's what we're wishing for. So do the right thing, Oswak. Hi, Zakala Bafete, so it's a podcast. Thank you very much. And guys, don't forget, subscribe and like, and leave a comment. Don't come back for me, guys. Ngiyabona ukuthi yimi ileopard namhlanje. Cela ningekeleni. Ngikhathele yini. Ngiyancanywa bafethu. Sure. Thank you.